How to make your first $1 million. Proven strategies. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the top 7 proven strategies that can help you achieve that life-changing milestone, making your first $1 million. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to accelerate your path to wealth, these strategies will provide you with a solid roadmap to get there. So, buckle up and get ready to take some notes, because we're about to unlock the secrets to building serious wealth. Spend less than you earn. It's not what you make, it's what you keep. You can't build wealth if you're spending every single penny you earn, right? The first and arguably most important step towards making your first million is simple. Spend less than you make. Start by taking a brutally honest look at your expenses. Where is your money actually going? Track everything, and I mean everything. You'll probably be surprised, maybe even a little scared, by how much you're spending on things you don't even need or use. It's about being mindful and making conscious choices about your spending. By identifying areas where you can reduce your expenses, you'll free up more cash flow to invest and grow your wealth. Remember, it's not about being cheap, it's about being smart with your money. Supercharge your income. Climb the corporate ladder and hustle on the side. Now, while saving is crucial, let's not forget about the other side of the equation: earning more money. The more you earn, the faster you can reach your financial goals. First things first, if you're employed, focus on climbing that corporate ladder. Become an indispensable asset to your company. Take on new challenges, develop valuable skills, and consistently over-deliver, but don't stop there. The real magic happens when you diversify your income streams. Whether it's freelancing, driving for a ride-sharing service, or starting an online business, there are countless ways to generate additional income. Invest like a pro. Make your money work harder than you do. Alright, here's where the real wealth-building magic happens. Investing. Saving money is important, but it's only the first step. To truly grow your wealth, you need to put your money to work for you. Start by educating yourself. Learn the basics of investing. Understand different asset classes, and find an investment strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Personally, I'm a big fan of index funds, especially when starting out. Real estate is another fantastic investment vehicle. The key here is to start early and stay consistent. The power of compound interest is truly magical. Chapter 4. Become a high-income machine. Develop skills that pay the bills. In today's economy, your earning potential isn't solely determined by your college degree or job title. It's about the valuable skills you bring to the table. Consider taking online courses, attending workshops, or investing in mentorship to acquire these in-demand skills. Once you've honed your skills, you can monetize your expertise through freelancing, consulting, or even launching your own online business. Chapter 5. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income, even a high-paying one, can be risky. We already talked about side hustles, but there are other ways to create passive income streams that generate money while you sleep. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks, creating and selling online courses or digital products, or even renting out a spare room on Airbnb. The goal here is to create a safety net of income streams that provide financial stability and accelerate your journey to that first million. Chapter 6. Surround yourself with success. Network with millionaires and learn from the best. You've probably heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with ambitious, driven individuals who are on a similar path to yours. Attend industry events, join mastermind groups, and network with successful entrepreneurs and investors. Remember, success leaves clues, and by learning from those who have walked the path before you, you can avoid costly mistakes and accelerate your own journey. Chapter 7. Patience and consistency. The long game to lasting wealth. Building wealth takes time and effort. It requires patience, discipline, and consistent action over time. It's about making smart financial decisions day after day, month after month, and year after year. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Stay focused on the long game, and don't be afraid to adjust your strategy along the way. Thanks for watching. I hope these strategies have provided you with a clear roadmap to achieving your first $1 million. Now, I want you to take action. Choose one strategy that resonates with you and start implementing it today. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on achieving financial success. See you in the next video.